When recurring support tickets, permission drift, unmonitored backups, and vendor handoffs begin piling up, an organization's real challenge is a lack of operational maturity rather than technical capacity. With the managed services market reaching $401 billion in 2025, Leo Mindlin, CEO at Citadel Blue, points out where to begin. Start with the tickets that repeat every week because they reveal where permissions, devices, backups, and vendor ownership need clearer process. Addressing these persistent pain points requires recognizing that managed IT encompasses distinct functional categories. Daily helpdesk and endpoint management stabilize core workflows like laptop setup, patch updates, and Microsoft 365 permissions, while security-focused services establish firm guardrails around endpoint defense, suspicious sign-in monitoring, and backup verification. Specialized cloud management and strategic vCIO oversight further align network infrastructure, data governance, and emerging AI tools with long-term business goals. Achieving sustainable growth starts with a comprehensive audit of current licenses, recurring ticket trends, and access policies to build a structured, proactive IT roadmap. To dive deeper into structuring your managed IT operations, read the full article and add this to your Spotify playlist.